What if your bike could fold in seconds and still outrun city traffic? Here is best folding electric bikes. Lightweight, compact, and powered by efficient electric motors. They're perfect for commuting, travel, and storing in small spaces. Fold it, carry it, and ride farther with less effort. The future of commuting fits in your trunk. Meet the Blitz S1 folding electric bike, designed for city commuters and adventure seekers alike. Its compact folding frame makes it easy to carry, store in a car trunk, or take on public transportation. With a powerful electric motor, long-lasting battery, and multiple riding modes, it helps you tackle hills, cruise through traffic, and travel farther with less effort. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring your city, the Blitz S1 offers convenience without sacrificing performance. Fold it, charge it, ride anywhere. This could be the smartest way to travel in the city. What if an electric bike felt just like a regular bicycle, but with a hidden superpower? Meet the Propella 7S, an ultra-lightweight electric bike built for effortless city commuting. Its sleek design, lightweight frame, and responsive pedal assist motor make every ride feel smooth and natural. Unlike bulky e-bikes, the Propella 7S is easy to carry upstairs, store in small spaces, and maneuver through busy streets. With its long-range battery and minimalist design, it's perfect for riders who want speed without the extra weight. Light enough to carry, powerful enough to transform your daily commute. This electric bike could fold up and fit almost anywhere? Introducing Qualisport's folding e-bike, built for commuters, travelers, and RV owners. Its lightweight folding frame lets you store it in apartments, car trunks, or take it on public transportation with ease. Despite its compact size, it delivers smooth pedal assistance, a long-lasting battery, and a comfortable ride for daily commuting and weekend adventures. It's designed to make city travel faster, easier, and more convenient. Fold it, carry it, ride it. This tiny e-bike is changing the way people travel. What if one folding e-bike could handle both your daily commute and weekend adventures? Meet the More folding e-bike, designed for riders who want portability without sacrificing performance. It features a compact folding frame that fits easily into car trunks, apartments, and RVs. Its powerful electric motor provides smooth pedal assistance, while the long-range battery helps you travel farther with less effort. Whether you're commuting through city streets or exploring scenic trails, the More folding e-bike delivers a comfortable, efficient, and fun ride. Fold it, pack it, ride anywhere. This could be the smartest e-bike you'll ever own. This electric bike looked more like a vintage cafe racer than a bicycle. Meet the Tempus CRT-1. An electric bike inspired by classic cafe racer motorcycles. Its retro design hides modern technology, including a powerful electric hub motor, a removable lithium battery, hydraulic disc brakes, and a steel frame built for strength. While it looks like a vintage motorcycle, it rides like an e-bike, making it perfect for city cruising with a unique style that turns heads wherever it goes. Classic motorcycle looks, modern electric power. This is one e-bike you'll never forget.